Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I would like to do solutions to exercise questions. Exercise 11.3. First bit, evaluate. First problem, tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. First solution for first bit, first problem. Given here tan 36 by cot 54. To find value, we have to convert cot theta, cot in terms of tan. That's why we can write tan 36 as it is by cot 90 minus 36. 90 degree minus 36. 90 minus 36, 54 will get. That's why there is no changes. Now tan 36 by, we can write tan 36 degrees, because cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. This is the formula. So cot 90 minus 36 is equal to tan 36. So tan 36 minus tan 36 gets cancelled. So 1. This is the answer. This is tan 36 degree by cot 54 degree. First bit, second problem, cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. So solution for this problem, first bit, second problem, given cos 12 degree minus sin 78 degree. We have to change this 78 degree sin in terms of cos. Cos 12 degree minus sin 90 minus 12. There is no changes. 78 we can write 90 minus 12. Cos 12 degree minus sin 90 minus theta. We know cos sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sin 90 minus 12 is equal to cos 12. So cos 12 degree minus cos 12 degree is equal to 0. Next, first bit, third problem, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. First problem, first bit, third problem, given cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. We have to change this sec 59 degree. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 90 minus 31. There is no changes while writing this. 90 minus 31, 59 will get. Now cosec 31 degree minus sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Basing this formula, we can write cosec 31 degree. Cosec 31 degree minus cosec 31 degree cancel, then we will get 0 is the answer. First bit, fourth problem, sin 15 degree sec 75 degree. Solution for first bit, fourth problem. Given sine 15 degree, sec 75 degree. First we have to change this 75 degree. Sine 15 degree, sec 90 minus 15, 90 minus 15 degree. Sine 15 degree, sine 90 minus theta, sorry, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore we can write cosec 15 degree, sine 15 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, so we can write 1 by sine 15 degree, because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Sine 15 degree, sine 15 degree, 1 is, so 1 is the answer. First bit, fifth problem, tan 26 degree, tan 64 degree. First bit, fifth problem, given tan 26 degree, tan 64 degree. This is given. Now we have to change this 64 degree. Tan 26 degree, tan 90 minus 26. There is no changes while writing this. 90 minus 26 is 64 only. Tan 26 degree, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So cot 26 degree, because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 26 degree, 1 by tan 26 degree, because cot is reciprocal of tan, so cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. That's why. So tan 26 degree, tan 26 degree will cancel, that is equal to 1 is the answer. Second bit, show that first problem, tan 48 degree, tan 16 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 74 degree is equal to 1. Solution for second bit, first problem. Here given this one, given show that tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74 is equal to 1. Here LHS tan 48, tan 16, tan 42, tan 74. This is LHS. I will write this as it is: tan 48, tan 16, but I will change this: tan 42, 90 minus 48. This I will change: tan 90 minus 48, and also this angle tan 90 minus 16. Just I changed these angles: tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 48, cot 48 degrees, cot 16 degrees, because cot tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is the formula we applied in this. So tan 48, tan 16, cot is the reciprocal of tan, that's why we can 1 by tan 48, 1 by tan 16, because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now tan 48, tan 45, tan 16, tan 16. So 1 is the answer. This is LHS is equal to, we got RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Second bit, second problem: cos 36 degree cos 54 degree minus sin 36 degree sin 54 degree is equal to 0. Solution for second bit, second problem: given show that cos 36 degree cos 54 degree minus sin 36 degree sin 54 degree is equal to 0. Here LHS is equal to cos 36 cos 54. Just I will change these angles, sin 90 minus 54, sin 90 minus 36, cos 36 cos 54, sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus 54 is equal to cos 54, sin 90 minus 36 is equal to cos 36. These all are degrees only, because sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the formula. Cos 36 minus cos 36 cos 54, cos 54 cos 36, these two are same. We can write one step to show clarity: minus cos 36 cos 54. So same, That's why we can cancel this 0. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, hence proved. Third problem, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Solution for third problem, given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Tan 2a we can write like this, cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a, because tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. This is the formula. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So this is the formula. Now we can cancel cot on both sides. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. These are degree. We have to shift these 90 degrees on right side, minus 2a. This on left side, minus a is equal to minus 18 minus 90. Minus 3a is equal to minus 108 degrees. A is equal to minus 108 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 3 3s are 9. 1 balance. 3 6 are 18. So A is equal to 3 1 are 3, 36 degrees. Question number 4. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Solution for fourth problem, given tan A is equal to cot B, we can write tan A as cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. We know this formula already. Tan theta is equal to 90 minus cot 90 minus theta. So this is the formula. Now we can cancel cot on both sides. 90 minus A is equal to B. While shifting this on right side, minus A becomes plus A B. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Hence proved. Question number 5. If AB and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Solution for fifth problem, given A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then we can write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Dividing above equation, dividing above equation by 2 on both sides, we get a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 2 9s are 2 zeros are 2 1s, 90 degrees. Then a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Applying tan on both sides, we get tan a plus b by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Tan a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2, because tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, hence proved. Question number 6. Express sin 75 degree plus cos 65 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Solution for sixth problem. Given sin 75 degree plus cos 65 degree, we have to show these angles between 0 and 45 degrees in trigonometric ratios. Then we can write this sin 75 degree, sin 90 minus 15 degree plus cos 90 minus 25 degree, these are all degrees only, that is equal to cos 15 degree plus sin 25 degree. Sin 90 minus 15 degree cos 15 degree, cos 90 minus 25 degree sin 25 degree, because sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So we shown these angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Friends, I think you understood each and every explanation clearly. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.